Well, hey, South Africa, while you were busy eating dinner, the South African government, the Treasury, was busy trying to find new ways to fleece you out of your money. That's right. Now they want to tax online gambling, betting. Yep. And they plan to draw 10 billion rand from that market. They claim that it's because of fear of online gambling or betting. Nonsense. Poppycock, balderdash. That's not what it's about, ladies and gentlemen. That is not what it's about. This is about taking money out of the pockets of people who worked very hard for their income, for their revenue. That's what it's all about. It has nothing at all to do with this nonsense about online gambling being a threat. These reprobates are simply trying to find a new source of money. Is this the ANC's new piggy bank, a 20% tax levy? Look, it's not unreasonable to tax online betting and gambling, but 20% of gross profit. So they say the market's 1.1 trillion so far for online gambling betting. Well, they're planning on getting 10 billion in revenue. That means that it must be just 50 billion or so of that 1.1 trillion that actually goes to the gambling companies as gross profit. Wow. Now, this is before they even pay their bills. This is just paying out the winnings. So they're going to take 20% essentially of the revenue of a company before they even pay their bills, before they pay their salaries, before they pay for their bandwidth, before they pay for their software development, security, any of that. This is ridiculous. This is trying to crush a nascent business sector that's providing jobs and revenue and, gives a lot of people entertainment. Wow. I mean, this is shocking to say the least. It never ceases to amaze me how governments think that they have a right to take your hard-earned money away from you. And where will this money go? Will it be used to fix South Africa's dilapidated ports, which ranks 78th in the world out of 78 countries? No. Will it fix the rails in Northwest Province where the communication lines were stolen years ago and now they're stealing the actual rails? No. Will it fix the potholes? No. Will it bring clean water to Hammanskraal where they have cholera? Nope. Will it bring avgas to Cape Town, which is out of it because it was all sent to Waterkloof and Pretoria and Joburg for the G20 summit? No. The money will go in the pocket of some corrupt caterer and a patronage program through BEE, delivering no services, no goods whatsoever. That's where the money will go. 10 billion rand. This just never stops. South Africans being robbed legally. You're being robbed blind. I mean, the state has passed a law that violates the Constitution so that a local municipal official can expropriate your property just because they want to. This is insane. Now they want to put a 20% tax on this. Again, a tax on this business is not unreasonable, but 20%, that's ridiculous. And on gross profits, how about on net profits? Ridiculous nonsense. It never stops in South Africa.